BlueReceipt is the future of commerce. Text marketing and personalized conversations exclusively for Shopify brands. In just 3 minutes, BlueReceipt connects to Shopify and allows you to start building your text messaging subscriber list. Once inside, you can customize your mobile pop-up with our revolutionary visual editor. Simply drag and drop your logo and get started. Next, we allow you to send abandoned cart text to those that did not complete checkout. No credit card required. Come inside and experience BlueReceipt magic. When you arrive, you witness a completely reimagined dashboard designed for simplicity. We built in dark mode from the beginning to give you optionality and a modern look. Personalized Conversations allows you to chat with your customers and subscribers from all platforms. On the right, you can understand who that customer is and have the ability to edit any information instantly. Refund customers directly. Our live chat system is simple, clear, and extremely effective. Join BlueReceipt today and experience the future of commerce.